hearts lead the way, lighten the future, share the wisdom to the spirit of Islam. Revelation and reason shall accept.
Hi Shebs, thank you for making time to give a talk to and share your experience with the students. Okay, and the best part is they want you more, so we're gonna have more session with you, but more into how to handle interviews. Okay, but the sharing session today is very good. I'm sure the students have engaged with whatever they want to do after the university life. I mean, they also mentioned to me that to hear from someone who really have a real experience in the industry really help. Okay, and thank you. We will see you again, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, my name is Noriza. We are from IIUM and I'm a sociology student.
My name is Nonisa Shafika and I'm a political science student.
My name is Nora Izati. I'm also from sociology department. And my opinion about this talk is that I find it very good since the content came from his Mr. Shabi's own experience, and a little bit I felt like mentally I am prepared to what to expect when I go out and find a work.
Okay, for me is during this session it happened on the afternoon, evening, but because of the situation, I thought that it would be sleepy during the session, but it's okay. It's so much fun because there's so many content tell us about with his experience, and then I thought that I need to experience that by myself first, so that I also can relate to whatever he has said in this session.
Okay, so for me personally, I like how he interact with us audience, and then it feels like it was two-way communication, and then we can interrupt him, and then he can explain about our questions, and then I like how he spark our mind to think about what we didn't across to take consider in our life before. So through the program, I would like to say that I'm grateful that we are in time that we get the opportunity to meet him, and then I hope in the future we still have this kind of occasions here for the students.
I really want another session with Mr. Shabli because it is very fun but also very informative, and it helps us to build a lot of thoughts and questions about what should we prepare for ourselves when we go out from the university.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shaida.
My name is Nashaira Zugafa. I am a final year student of political science.
I'm Azza Karisa binti Zamri, and I'm from IIUM.
Okay, first of all, I would to say, since I'm a final year first semester student and I'm majoring in psychology, so I think that this talk is really benefit for me. It is because I'm still not prepared to to enter the industry yet, because I don't know how was the real situation in the industry. So when I'm having these talks, so I think that it's really make me feel like this is one preparation for me. I had to know how the real industry, the real situation is being. So I got to do the preparation, and I know how I should to handle the situation later on.
Yes, I agree with Sister Shahida. It was a very fun and engaging talk with the students, and I feel like the speaker knows how to engage himself with the audience, and it's a very semi-formal but very fun conversation we had with Brother Shebs, and it's also very insightful that he is willing to share his experience to everyone, because he's been working in the industry for so many years, and to us fresh graduates that will graduate in 1 month, it is very beneficial, and I really hope that we can have another session next time so that we can discuss more on job interviews and certain important things that we can discover in the industry later. So what do you think of the talk?
I think that it was so inspiring me as a public relations student, and it give so much benefits to me because it can give the knowledge, and I can gain the knowledge, and I can gain the knowledge from the top, and it can train me to be a successful public relations practitioner in the future. Yeah.
So thank you for coming. We really enjoyed it, and we're looking for the next section.
Yes.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Musin. I'm from IIUM, International University, Islamic Malaysia.
Sorry.
I'm from, my course is Benong, which is Bachelor in English Language and Literature. So about the talk just now, for me it was rather enjoyable, fun. Okay, there's lots of jokes and stuff like that, and the points were pretty important, I would say, even though as a person who has a part-time job, so I could take whatever Sheb talked about and think it would help me a lot for my career towards the industry that I would be joining in a few months' time, inshallah. So I guess that's all from me. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Ahmad Farid bin Ahmad Rizal. I'm from IIUM, majoring in psychology.
My name is Nurul Wahida Aini binti Zamri. I am an IIM student. I'm majoring in psychology.
My name is Nuri Madina Baituna Norjasni. I am majoring in psychology.
So what we get throughout the talk is such an eye-opening talk to me, because as an experienced student with scarce experience, this gives me the glimpse of what will happen in our near future. I mean, it's been in like 1 month more we're going to be in the industry. So what do you guys think?
From my opinion, the talk itself is very full of information, and I really love the talk, especially the game itself. But the information itself really enhanced my knowledge. And the thing is, I realized that I need to know more about industrial, and then I realized that I was short in experience, and I need to find experience as soon as I can.
I agree with Wahida. This talk is so fun and a lot of information. I believe the information I get will benefit me in future. I will prepare me more, and I know that I don't have much information for the industry yet, so I need to prepare more.
So the best thing about this, I found that the speaker gave some red flags about what will happen in the industry, so it shortens our time to maybe we don't have to make that mistake again, because the speaker have done it and we made that. So it shortens our journey, or it helps smoothen our journey in our career.
I want to add something, which is by giving the experience by himself, the experience that he own experience before, it actually make us closer, one step closer to an individual, because nobody actually told the experience himself actually explore. So that's another a new thing for me.
Yeah, I don't regret coming to this talk.
Yeah, coming from an IIUM alumni himself, so it's really relatable to ourselves. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome to Mr. Shebs who is the executive chairman of Shebs PR Empire, right? We have a mother whom I've only informed you, and this is most of the students are from here, from a language occupational purposes students. So they are all ready to start working, inshallah, next semester. Some of them, this is their final semester. Okay. Let me give you like a brief history of my relationship with Mr. Shebs. Okay. We went a long way. I used to teach him when I was teaching in tuition center. That was, I think, the year 1997, 95. Right. Mr. Shebs did his degree from IIUM, okay, Department of Mass Comm, okay, and he pursued his master's
Can you finish my sentence with an answer? Where shall I be once I graduate from IIUM? Sister.
Revelation and reason, we shall excel, we shall prevail. Merging faith and knowledge, we, the Khalifa, we will fulfill.